Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today it was an excellent market for FIIs who wanted to sell. And huge gap up, more than 200-point gap up that has happened without any reason. I really don't know how this SGX Nifty trades. And yesterday there has been no good news from India point of view. And US markets went up, yes, but the previous 2 days US markets went down. So whatever was down previous 2 days, only that was up yesterday. And because of this euphoric, SGX Nifty opened gap up 200 points. And in the morning itself, I told you that sustaining will be difficult. I said at least one intraday fall will come. And FIIs who wanted to sell use this opportunity to slowly sell since the morning. Though for most part of the day it was holding and the markets became too volatile in the afternoon. And Bank Nifty was the total disappointment, and Bank Nifty has fallen more than 350 points, and Bank Nifty has fallen more than 500 point, I think about 750 point from intraday high to intraday low. At 750 point fall from intraday high to intraday low, that too on such a good day when the global cues were good, is really very bad. In fact, I thought today Bank Nifty will outperform, but Bank Nifty has actually underperformed today. At some point of time, Nifty was up significantly, but Bank Nifty was down. And today the main dragger is ICICI Bank, and the ICICI Bank has fallen about 15 rupees, and ICICI Bank being an index heavyweight, so it will have an effect on Bank Nifty. In the afternoon, everything has started falling, and even the State Bank of India has fallen more than 10 rupees, and Bank Nifty was hugely volatile in the afternoon. So one thing is very clear. If the gap up will be sold into, gap down will be bought into. Huge gap up, FIIs will come and sell, and huge gap down, domestic institutions will come and support. At the end of the day, Nifty has almost closed flat. Although because of weighted average and other things, Nifty is indicating about 43 point down. It's not really that bad. So US markets as usual, 1 day up, 2 day down, and previous 2 days it was down, yesterday it was up, and now the pre-market is showing down. And at 6 p.m. US jobs data came. I think now the market is not about jobs data. If jobs data is good, they are going to say people are still able to buy, economy is good, and the interest rate will go up. And if the jobs data is bad, they will say recession is coming very soon. So it depends how you see. Sometimes if you are bearish, you can see good news also bad and bad news also bad. I think US market is in such a state now. And today, FIIs have sold nearly 3,800 crores. And for the last 2 trading sessions, they did not sell much. Now, June series, once again, they started their aggressive selling. And 3,800 crore is such a big number. However, the domestic institutions have bought nearly 2,400 crore. But that was not sufficient. But despite that, we did not crash. Okay, the huge gap up has been sold into. At least we can say, I told you, Nifty is likely to consolidate between 16,400 and 16,800, and today it went up to the upper end of the range. In fact, Singapore Nifty indicated above 16,800, but here we did not go there. We went very close to 16,800, again came down. We closed around 16,600, which is actually the midpoint between 16.4 and 16.8. So for the next few days, the trading range is 16.4 to 16.8, and now over the weekend, anything can happen, but Nifty closed exactly in between. So the next week, once again, either it will be testing the lower end of the range, or it may be testing the upper end of the range. It all depends where the US market is closing. But last 2 days, Bank Nifty has hugely underperformed. If market has to recover, and the Bank Nifty has to perform. And today also, IT has not done very badly. IT is okay. And Reliance was very close to all-time high. But because of the overall sentiment in the last half an hour, so Reliance has also fallen. So there is a strong rumor that very soon Reliance will be announcing the demerger of Reliance Jio and Reliance Retail. Otherwise, when the market is about 10-15% lower, and there is no reason for Reliance to go very close to all-time high. So looking at the open interest, so people again started selling call options aggressively from 16,600 to 17,000. And normally when a market goes higher continuously and then it turns, and that is when the call option sellers will be selling aggressively. So that is what has happened today. We have to wait for the US markets to close today, and so we have to see how the next week. So the rest of the things we will discuss on Sunday. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for watching.